Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako, ang aming buong pamilya at ang pamilya Eugenio sa lahat po ng nakiramay at tumutulong po sa oras po ng aming pagdadalamhati at sa lahat po ng mga dasal para sa kaluluwa ng aking ama. Ako po si Princess, ako po ang bunsong anak ng Daddy Larry. And Dad, I'm very sorry at hindi po ako nakauwi. As much as kami po ay nagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw po ng aming ama, we would like to celebrate his life, a life well lived and loved by so many people. Ang kanyang never-ending na pagmamahal sa aking mommy, sa aming magkakapatid, sa kanyang mga apo at mga apo sa tuhod. Ang daddy ko po ay a very strong, very brave person, masakripisyo, clever, smart, and witty person. Actually, I always every time na meron kaming conversation or exchange of ideas sa isa't isa, and if it happens na meron siyang better idea than me, he always say, so it means like he's telling me that you have to be smart and wise to deal on things in life. And I learned a lot from him. Thank you, Dad, for giving me life lessons and your never-ending advice. Thank you for being my #1 fan, supporter. Ikaw ang nangunguna para umakyat ng stage para isabit ang aking medalya. Ang daddy actually iyakin din, parang ako. Iyakin ng daddy because he's very soft-hearted. Iyakin ng daddy because that's his only way of expressing his gratefulness. Iyakin because he is thankful and happy. Maraming salamat, Dad, for sharing your life with us. Thank you from me, from my husband Leo, and from your apo, Gabi. We will miss you so much, and I know you are at peace and resting well with the Lord in heaven. Now I have my own guardian angel. I love you so much, and I will miss you. Salamat po.